Most people think affiliate marketing is complicated, but the truth is you don't need money, you don't need experience, I don't need big following to start affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to break down affiliate marketing step by step in the simplest way possible, so that even if you have never made any single dollar online before, you can follow along and actually get results. Stick with me to the end of this way, because I will also share with you one of the mistakes most affiliate marketers make that keep them so stuck for long that most affiliate marketers are unsuccessful in the industry. So if this is your first time seeing my video, my name is Emmanuel Eze. I'm an affiliate marketer consultant. I help struggling affiliate marketers generate more deals and close more sales, and also share with you some of the tips that will help you make more money online. So if you love my content, don't forget to subscribe and like, so that is the best way you can support me. So in this video, we're going to be looking at 5 things. Number 1, what is affiliate marketing? Number 2, how to start affiliate marketing. Number 3, why is affiliate marketing the best way to make money online in 2024? Number 4, why 90% of affiliate marketers fail and how you can avoid it. And number 5, the best product you can promote as an affiliate marketing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? If you ask an average affiliate marketer what is affiliate marketing, he or she will say affiliate marketing is all about connecting buyers to sellers. You understand? Affiliate marketing is middleman. Yes, they are not wrong, but you just saying that affiliate marketing is a middleman connecting buyers to sell is just a tip of the iceberg of what affiliate marketing is all about. You get the point? Now, in my own definition, affiliate marketing is all about building audience. Yes, building audience. After building that audience, then you now look for a problem that they have and promote a product that best serves them. You understand? So most affiliate marketers just go into the industry, they pick a product and start promoting, and at the end of the day they are stuck because they think affiliate marketing is all about connecting buyers to sell. But in main definition, affiliate marketing is all about building audience and then look for a problem that they are having and promote a product that best serves them. You get the point? So if someone asks you what is affiliate marketing, tell them affiliate marketing is building audience of people with one particular problem and then promote a product to them that best, that best solve that problem for them. So number 2 is that how do you start affiliate marketing? There are 3 ways you can start affiliate marketing. Number 1 is you pick a niche. Now you pick a niche that you want to go to. You understand? So we have 3 niche in the industry. Number 1 is wealth niche, something that related to money. Number 2 is health niche, something that related to health, body and all the rest of them. Number 3 is relationship niche. Now these 3 niche is something that why is the most profitable niche in the industry. If you have problem in one of these 3 things, you are going to be bothered. You're going to be bothered. You spend any amount of money to solve this problem. If you don't have money in your bank account, you are going to be bothered. You do everything to make money. If you are struggling with kidney failure, toothache, anything that is health need, you are going to do anything to solve the problem. If you are struggling in relationship, you are going to do anything to solve the problem. You understand? So that is why it's the best niche in the industry. So what happens is that when you go into this niche, you don't just start about teaching people how to make money. That is what we call sub niche. You understand? You choose sub niche. Maybe let me say if you are in the wealth niche, you can start teaching people how to make money in real estate. It's also a sub niche. Understand? If you're in the health niche, you can start teaching people how to take care of the teeth rather than trying to be a full-hole doctor. Then if you're in the relationship niche, you can teach people how to avoid divorce in marriages. Understand? The reason we choose sub niche, understand, is to avoid competition. Now let me say many people are selling time management course. You understand? If you start selling time management course, you are going to face a whole lot of competition with other people also selling time management course. But when you get into the industry, one of the things you should do is that you start selling time management course for nurses. You get the point? Of time management course for health professionals. You get the point? Or you can even go low and start selling time management course for nurses. So you can even go ahead and start selling time management course for night shift nurses. You understand? So the lower you go, you avoid much competition, and you can also choose, and you can also promote a product that is very, very expensive. So that is the second one, how to start affiliate marketing. Number 1 is to pick a niche. Then number 2 is you build audience. Now after you must have picked a niche, what you have to do is to pick audience and build audience around that niche that you have chosen. Let me say you choose a niche of or a sub niche of how to take care of your tooth. You can start building audience, teaching people how to prevent toothache. If you're having toothache, how to take care of it. You must learn it. So you understand, you must learn it. Then start building audience. So people will start watching your videos, your content. You understand? From there, you are building audience. Now, when I say about building audience, it's not about it's not a must you must have 100,000 audience, 1 million audience. 10 people is also an audience. 5 people is also an audience. You understand? And even 1 person is also an audience. So any people from 2 people above are audience. So once you start creating content, you see people who will start believing in you, and then that's the second thing you do. Number 1, pick a niche. Then number 2, build audience around your niche. Then number 3 is after you must see that you have built audience, then you pick a product. You find out the problem that your audience are having, and then you promote a product that best serve them in that niche. You get the point? So that is the second. That is the third one. So first pick a niche. Second, build the audience. Third, pick a problem that best solve their problem for them. So that is the second way to, so that is how to start affiliate marketing. So the third thing we're going to be looking at, why is affiliate marketing the best way to make money in 2025? So one of the reasons affiliate marketing is the best way to make money in 2025, you don't need to create a product. You understand? So for you to actually create a product, you must have a huge understanding. You must know how to create landing page, websites, all these things. You understand? So that is so when you start affiliate marketing, you just avoid all these things, and then you know, start promoting the products. You are not a creator, so all these difficulties in creating products, promote the products, connect the buyer to seller, and leave it to them. You understand? So that is the reason affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing, another reason, is one of the best way to make money online in 2024. You can start it anywhere from your room, and you don't even need money to start. Because if you are creating a product, you might need developers, all these things. But once you're an affiliate marketing, you don't even need money. In fact, those people that own the product will be the ones begging you, asking you to come and promote their product for them. So that's the reason it's one of the best ways to make money online. So number four, we're gonna be looking at patterns. It's why is it that 90% of affiliate marketing fail and how to avoid it. Now the reason 90% of affiliate marketers fail and how to avoid it is that most affiliate marketers start affiliate marketing and then pick a product and then start looking for people to sell it to. You understand? So when you do these things, you will get stuck in affiliate marketing for years. You might even do affiliate marketing for 2 years without making any single dime. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you just start affiliate marketing and they tell you pick this product and you are starting this product and you just pick the product and you start running ad, you start doing cold outreach, you don't even have audience. You will struggle for years and you won't make any money. So this is the reason most affiliate marketers are struggling in the industry, because first of all, they pick a product and start looking for people to promote it to. So if you don't want to struggle in affiliate marketing, one of the best things you can do is first of all, build audience. And then look for problems that those audience are having and bring a product to them and sell it to them. Now let me tell you something, it's way more easier for you to make money and sell out your product if you already have an audience that have a problem and then promote a product to them than picking a product and start looking for audience to sell it to. No. When you pick a product and start looking for audience to sell it, you are just chasing people. But when you build audience and pick a product that solves problem for them, you attract people. So that is the number 4 of this video. So number 5 of this video is the best product to promote in affiliate marketing and the best and easy product to promote in affiliate marketing in 2025. So there are numerous products you can promote in affiliate marketing in 2025, you understand? But this one is from my own experience. These are the best products you can promote in 2025. Number 1 is ad products or lead generation products. Now there are so many businesses in the internet. Everybody is looking for a way to get customers. So if you can promote a product of how to run Facebook ad or learn it on your own, is a high demand product you can promote in 2025. Number 2 is on video editing. Now everybody is going into content creation, and as more people are going into content creation, there is huge demand for video editing. So video editing is also a very high demand product you can promote in 2025. Number 3 is on YouTube automation. Now a lot of people, you and I know that a lot of people are looking for a way to make money online, and as more people are looking for a way to make money online, YouTube automation ranks in one of the highest ways to make money online. So if you can teach people YouTube automation, is a very high demand product. Then number 3 is AI products. AI is taking over the internet now. Everybody is doing AI automation, AI content creation, AI voiceover, AI, AI even clone you will be the one to create your content. In future, AI will be the one creating content for me with my face, with my voice, everything. So AI is very high in demand skill. So you can also promote the product of prompt, the best AI tools to use to automate business. And the 4th one is some content creation products. So a lot of people are going into content creation, and as much people are going into content creation, there is huge demand for information, how to tell stories, you understand? Everybody is going to content creation, so you can also promote a content creation product. So you understand? So affiliate marketing product, the affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online, because you are selling info product and there is huge demand for info product, because every day people are searching how to make videos, how to do this, how to do that, and so that is the reason. So if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video to people who think we need it the best. Alright guys, see you on the next video.